Help with the dishes. Keep going.
Close the cupboard.
No. He's got his routine, Mom.
Oh, it usually closes the cupboard first for me.
Close it up. Push, 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 push. Close the cupboard, please. Oh, there you go.
Push hard. You gotta push hard.
Use your thumb.
Okay, now turn it on. Press hard. Use your thumb.
Yay! Thanks, buddy. Give me 5. Give me 5. Good job. Thanks, pal. Hey, who's my buddy?
Me.
That's right.
No, you're not having juice. No. If I can't have juice, can I have milk? No, you say up, please. You stay on your bum.
You're trapped.
You got my game on there?
James?
No, I
James.
don't.
What's...
I have Cooking Mama.